Hi class, in this video we're going to update Visual Studio to include the workloads that we need to develop graphical applications. So yay! I'm going to continue without code, and I want to just go to my tools and get tools and features. My Visual Studio installer should take off and tell me what I have installed, and I want to add some additional workloads. Let's see what I've got. I needed UWP, and I've already got that one selected, so I don't need to add anything there. .NET Desktop Development I already have, so I'm good there. And .NET Cross-Platform Development, I need to add that. I'll go ahead and modify my Visual Studio install. So to make sure that you're ready to move forward, we want to make sure that we have the .NET Core Cross-Platform Development workload chosen, Universal Windows Platform Development, and .NET Desktop Development. If you've gotten all of those selected, you're ready to modify your Visual Studio installation. I do also have an update to Visual Studio available. So I'll go ahead and install that, tell it to update. Now, before I can continue, I need to close Visual Studio. So I'll retry. And my download is running. When my update completes, then the update to Visual Studio itself will install, and I should be ready to go. So I'll see you then.